Well, thank you for joining me. We are watching for snow to come in on Monday, and most places could see anywhere from 1 inch to about 4 inches of accumulations when all is said and done, all thanks to a low-pressure system working its way on through. Now, low temperatures, we're right around that 10 to 19 degrees this morning here on at that 10 degrees, Mitchell at 19 degrees. And looking at high temperatures, some places actually sneaking above the freezing point, so definitely a little bit of melting out there under cloudy skies. Light flurries already began to band their way on into the overnight, and this is the leading edge of that system that's going to work through tomorrow, and that's going to bring in new accumulations once you start to plan ahead. So looking on future gas, we're going to watch as that snow band kind of thickens up across our general region and continues to move its way on through during the early morning hours, persisting into the afternoon as well. Evening, it does start to taper off with just some lingering flurries, and then Tuesday, we're just going to watch mostly cloudy skies sticking around during that time. Once again, watching these snow showers persist during the morning hours and finally leaving into the afternoon and evening. A couple little flurries still stick around, but for the most part, mostly cloudy on Tuesday on the backside of that. Now, the band of snow that we're watching to be the heaviest one sets up right from Watertown, where there's potential of 6 inches. Now, granted, this is on the higher side of it, as really the snow totals probably will be a little bit less than that just due to some of the forcing in the atmosphere, closer to about 4 inches on the high side with that. But it does show it's a rather narrow band, and isolated instances are possible for falling in terms of snow accumulation. The other big thing we're going to watch is winds. These will be out of the north at about 5 to 15 miles an hour, even up towards of 20, 25 miles an hour. So reduced visibilities is definitely going to be one of those big factors as we start to plan ahead. Now, snow does leave once we move into Tuesday, Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, temperature back towards 30 degrees. Then look at Thursday through Saturday. Temperatures in those mid to upper 30s, with Friday actually getting far closer to 40 degrees. So very little snow, or a whole bunch of snow, is expected to melt over these next couple of days.